Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in the kitchen, not another segment of cooking with Clinton. I done that one then this morning. Do another one tomorrow if I could think what food to make. So yeah, here I got a joint with me, Mr. Puggington. I bought him at the shops earlier on. He's a really nice smelling squishy. Can you smell that? Yeah, smells nice, doesn't he? Smells like dog buttholes. So yeah, today I'm going to make this Fruitella slime stuff, edible Fruitella slime. So basically, you unwrap a whole bunch of Fruitellas, and then you microwave them for like a minute or two, and then you add like silver spoon or whatever, ice and sugar for the glaze, and mix it all together until it becomes this like nice, squishy, edible, gummy slime. So we're going to check that out today, Mr. Puggington. Do you want to do the thing to the camera? Okay, sure. See you in a bit. Oh, change, Mr. Puggington. Right, let's get these Fruitellas here on the front. Yeah, so maybe out this much something. You want just put the rest to the side and unwrap all of them. Here you go, guys. It's going to take a long time. So guys, we unwrapped all of them. Got a lot of Fruitellas in there. Now time to put them in the microwave. Here we go. There we go. Ready? Say goodbye to the Fruitellas. Goodbye, camera. Right. Change the bowls because it turned out the other ones can't go in there, otherwise they melt. But yeah, these Fruitellas are all fully melted. Oh gosh, right. So, ow. Right, oh, ow. Right, let's mix a few of these. So, oh god, this is hard. Fruitellas. Yeah. Now time to put the icing sugar in. Is that enough? So give it a little mix. Oh man, it's getting tough. Oh, that's hot too. Oh, for me I can see it steaming and everything. Ow. Oh. Poo. Alright. So, pause the camera, let it cool down, then get our hands in there. Let's go. Been 5 minutes. Still a little bit warm, but I think it's moulding time. Right. Oh, look at that. It just need to go like that. Oh. Add a bit more ice and sugar. Oh. Oh my god, these guys. This is so cool. Oh, it's hot. Oh. Add more ice and sugar to like kind of get it so it's not too hot or warm on the outside, I think. Yep. Look at that. So guys, this technique, I'm just going to keep on going like this for a few minutes, try to get it slime-like consistence. It's kind of cool right now. Wow. Take a bite at the end. I cannot wait. So guys, been doing this for about 2-3 minutes. So yeah, this is a very slime-like, sweetie slime. Look at that. That is just beautiful. And try to do one of those satisfying slime challenges. It doesn't work. Anyway guys, I'm going to try this on 3, 2, 5 second like challenge. I need you to like this video in 5 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you like? Did you? I think that was a yes. Right, let's try the stuff. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that. Oh, that stuff is beautiful. And you guys want to try some? Yes? Nice, right? Oh my god, guys. If you have like, maybe, I'd say like half an hour. If you have half an hour spare time, you have some Fruitellas and ice and sugar, try this out. Please guys, do try this. It is so nice. Look at pumpkin. Do you want some? Ugh. Delicious, guys. Anyway, this was delicious. See you guys next time. Goodbye.